Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will walk you through the Shopify Admin Panel. So once you are logged in your Shopify store, you will see the homepage of your admin panel where you will see the report of your sales and other stuff. And if you click on the orders, in the orders, you will see all the orders you have received in your Shopify store. So these are the orders which I have received or created. So if you click on the order, it will take you to the order detail page. And from here you can take action to your order. You can tag the order, you can fulfill the items, and you can cancel or duplicate or archive, or you can view the order status page. So I click on back button. This is the listing of your order page. Here are unfulfilled orders, unpinned, opened, and archive. You can add another filter by clicking on this create view. And similarly, you can make draft orders like this. From here, you can create a draft order, and as well as you can add shipping labels from here, and you can check the abandoned checkouts from here. Next, we have a product. In the product section, you can add the product and you can delete the product. You can manage products. So this is the product listing and this is the pagination. If you have more than 50 products, you can go to the next page of the product listing. From here, you can filter the active products. And if you click on the draft products, you will see the draft products. And similarly, you can see the archived products. So if you need to add a new product, you will click on the add products. And you can also import and export products. Like if you select the products, you can export the products. And if you would like to import products, you can click on the import products. Similarly, you can search specific products. And then you can add filter. You can filter them by category, by sales channel, by market, by product type, and by collection. And if you click on the collection, you will see all the collections you have made in the Shopify, and you can filter them by collection as well. You can also filter them by tag by typing the tag name over here, and you can filter them by status, all the active or draft or archived products, and you can also filter them by product vendor. And these are the different vendor we have. Next, we have a collection. If you click on the collection, button, you will see all the collection listing. From here, you can create a collection. And if you click on the collection button, it will take you the collection form. Here you will type the collection title, description, and there are two types of collections. One is automatic and one is manual. If you select manual, you have to add manually product in that collection. If you select automated, you will add the condition over here, like if the product tag is equal to angel, then all the angel products will be displayed over here. So here you can upload the product collection image, and From here you can select the collection template, and by clicking on this button you can add the collection title and collection description, and here you can change the collection handle. So next we have inventory. In the inventory tab, all the inventories are being displayed. So whatever inventory you have for the products, you can see in the inventory tab. Then we have purchase orders and transfers and gift cards. If you created any gift card, you can see them here, and you can create a gift card product from here. Sometimes you need a gift card product for your friends and family, so people can buy the gift card and send them to their friend and family. Then we have catalog. This is for different customers, like VIP customers and regular customers, and you make the catalog and you give them discount, like VIP customer get 40% discount, normal customer will get 10% discount, and all the stuff you can create over here by creating the catalog. So if you click on the catalog, it will ask you all the products or specific products. So if I click on the all products, and here I can define the B2B catalog for our customers, and we can select our companies over here, which company will have what kind of price decrease and what kind of discount they will have. You can define over here. Okay, next we have a customer tab. Here are of your customer will be displayed. So those who are buying from your Shopify store, all the customer listing on fraud. Customer listing will be displayed over here. And you can add customer by yourself. And if you click on the add customer, you will see first name, last name, email and phone number, and all the stuff here. You can also tag the customer, and you can create the customer by yourself. Then you can create the segments for a specific customer. Like if you click on the customer, you can apply the rule over here. And for example, I need a customer who's placed minimum 10 orders or minimum $5,000 purchase. So I can create the segment and filter over here. Similarly, we have our companies over here, and you can add the companies for giving the discount, like we have seen in the product catalog. You can add all the companies over here. Then we will move to the next one tab, that is content. We can define the meta objects. Meta objects allow you to group field and connect them different parts of your store. So sometime we need a custom data for our pages and products. So in that case, we create meta objects with the combined fields like product, title, images, description. We can create multiple fields in one object. So this is for meta objects. And then we have files. You can upload Shopify files over here, like product pictures and any other files you can upload from over here. And these are all the images which I have uploaded in my Shopify store, and you can see them. You can upload new files, or you can grab the asset URL. Like if I need this image, I can copy the link of this image. Then we have an analytic tab where you can see all the reports of your store, like how much sale in the last 7 days, and sale by channel, online store sessions. You can see all that stuff over here. In analytic, we have reports, You can generate custom reports as well. And these are all the reports over here. Then we have a live view, how many customers are currently at your store, and you can check by clicking on the live store. Then we have a marketing, and we can create a marketing campaign over here and automation. So this is for the marketing purpose. Next we have discount. You can create a discount for your customers. From here all the discount listing will be displayed over here. And if you create a new discount, it will ask you what kind of discount do you need, amount of the product, buy one get one free, amount to offer on a whole order, free shipping, and whatever you need. And you click on buy one get one free. It will take you the discount form. Here you can add the discount code, and then you can add the condition where this discount applies, and you will select the products on which products your discount will be applied. And you can also choose the customer, like which customer can get this discount. And here you will define the percentage of the discount and eligibility and maximum discount users, how many time a user can use the discount, and the combinations and the end date of your discount. Then we have a sale channel. In the sale channels we have online store. Online store where all of your themes are being displayed. Right now I have two themes. One is live, one is not live. So Dawn, this is my live theme, which is Dawn, and this is my preview theme, which is custom Kickstarter. So you can create multiple theme over here, or you can upload more theme over here by clicking this button. You can visit the theme store, or you can upload the zip file, or you can connect them from the GitHub repo. Then we have blog post. Here you can add the blog post for your store, and by clicking this button, it will ask you the blog post title, description, and exact and search engine information. On the right side, you can make the post visible and add the featured image and the author and the blog, which this post will go in which blog, and tags of the blog post, and you can select the template. Similarly, we have pages. Here you can add the pages of your store, like contact us page, privacy policy, term and condition. All the pages will come here, and if you click on the add page, here you will define the page title, page description, and you can make it visible, and you can make a different template of your store and adding the search information. Next we have a navigation. In the navigation you can define the menus, like we have two menus, footer menu and mega menu. And if you click on add a new menu, you can create a new menu by giving the title and adding the menu item title. So let's open any of the menu, and as you can see we have a home and catalog and contact. And if you click on the edit button, you can change the menu item name or menu item link from here, and you can update that. Next we have a preference, and in the preference you can set the title and meta description of your home page, and you can add the home meta description for SEO purpose, social sharing image, and Google Analytics. You can set up Facebook pixel. You can set out restrict store access. Right now we have a password on our store, and you can change the password. And once you make your store online, you can remove the password from here. And B2B customer and spam protection is over here. Next we have apps. In the apps, you will see all the apps you have installed in your Shopify store. And then we have a setting. So I think this is enough for this video. In the next video, we will explore the setting tab, and I will walk you through how you can make the setting of your store. I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.